But as far as the talk of the town is concerned, we also talk about the voting that has been done, the EVMs that have now been sealed across 4 states and 1 union territory, which is Puducherry. And also, come to think of it, this is a close, as far as a mini national showdown. Because on one side, it is the BJP that is pushing to expand its footprint, especially when it comes to the southern states. On the other hand is the core of the opposition bloc, the India Alliance, the Congress, the TMC, the DMK, and the left. Of course, the equations change. But when we take a look as far as West Bengal is concerned, because right at the end of this very crucial assembly elections, in West Bengal, majority of the exit polls have been putting the opposition BJP ahead of the ruling TMC. So is this Paribartan? Is this something that BJP was wanting as far as Chai BJP Sarkar, and is it actually happening on ground? Because let's take a look as far as the numbers here in this case is concerned. 2 of the phases, yesterday the second phase happened, both of them saw bumper voter turnout. And what could be the possible reason for that? Wanting a continuity of the government or wanting a change in the government? Well, that seems to be the projections as you see on your screens. Of course, the BJP here seems to have been given a clear edge, but there has been a tough fight that has also been put up by the TMC as well. Magic number here, what we are looking at is of 148. So mostly when it comes to the BJP seems to be breaching that majority mark. And this is how the numbers are stacking up as far as in Bengal is concerned. Right from Paschim Bengal to Tamil Nadu to Kerala and to Assam. Now when it comes to the stakes which are very high, the voters have spoken, they have inked their fingers, and it is now time for the predictions. Because the first exit poll prediction that came in from the Prime Minister himself after offering prayers in his Karbhumi at Kashi Vishwanath yesterday while inaugurating the Ganga Expressway in Uttar Pradesh, Prime Minister Modi says that his party will win all the 5 states.
और मुझे विश्वास है इन 5 राज्यों के चुनाव में भी भाजपा ऐतिहासिक जीत की हैट्रिक लगाने जा रही है। पिछले 6-7 दशक में जो नहीं हुआ, जिसकी कल्पना भी मुश्किल थी, वैसे निर्भीक वातावरण में बंगाल में इस बार वोटिंग हो रहा है। लोग भय मुक्त होकर वोट दे रहे हैं।
Now, Paschim Bengal has been one of the most politically charged of all the fights, and that has been in the state, both of the phases that have seen bumper voter turnout. And fighting for another term is Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee saying that she is confident of a comeback with a 2/3 majority.
CRPF cannot torture like this. See, no state police is there.
None of the booths are safe.
None of the booths. All they are captured. Is it their duty? They should secure the border. Instead of secure the border, they are securing one political party.
CRPF, anything on CRPF? Ma'am, violence is happening, ma'am.
It's because of CRPF. हमारा पास बहुत जानकारी है। देखो आपको लेकिन वो भाग रहा है।
INS के जो वॉरशिप है और जो रफाल है वो डिप्लॉय करना बाकी है। आप वो भी कर दो। जो चीज आपको बांग्लादेश और पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ करना चाहिए वो आप बंगाल के लोगों के खिलाफ कर रहे हो और हमें बांग्लादेशी बुलाते हो। मैंने जो बोला है 1 साल पहले कि तृणमूल का वोट परसेंटेज और जितने सीट 21 पे मिला था उससे ज्यादा और बड़ा बहुमत से तृणमूल चौथी बार सरकार बनाने जा रही है।
Now, when we talk about the developments that has been taking place, what political leaders in the state of West Bengal have been saying, especially when it comes to the exit poll numbers, because some of them have been dismissing it, some of them find it amusing. The others, however, have been saying that the projections are accurate. As far as the BJP is concerned, saying that a new wave will be witnessed, this Paribartan will be witnessed in West Bengal.
Oh, so if they are showing that, then be sure BJP is going to be 50 or less. Because they are trying to keep up the morale of the party by showing them edge. Oh, they could have given them the 2/3 majority. That itself shows that even the exit is not so confident. And let's wait for the 4th of May, because we have been on ground And in fact, all of you have also been on the ground. You should have the pulse of the people, and the pulse of the people is just, is for TMC, because be it as it may, there may be flaws or faults, but BJP is something which Bengal will not accept. Our leadership has come out with clear figures like 235 plus seats for Trinamool Congress.
देखिए, मैं ज़्यादा एग्जिट पोलों पर विश्वास नहीं करता, लेकिन फिर भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि एग्जिट पोलों में बहुत सारे एग्जिट पोलों में दिखाया गया कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनने वाली है। और मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी 170 से ज़्यादा सीटों के साथ। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की बहुत ही जोरदार दमदार सरकार बनेगी।
क्रिकेट का ये तो फर्स्ट इनिंग्स सेकंड इनिंग्स होता है ना, जो जीतने वाला टीम दोनों इनिंग्स अच्छा खेलता है, इसलिए फर्स्ट पार्ट में जो हुआ था फर्स्ट फेज में, सेकंड फेज में उसी का ही कंटिन्यूएशन था, तो मैंने ऐतिहासिक था। मैंने बोला था कि गणेश कुमार ने बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज ली है 2 फेज में चुनाव करने का, अगर इसको ठीक ठाक कर देते हैं तो एक ऐतिहासिक चुनाव होगा। ये सब मान रहे हैं कि ऐतिहासिक चुनाव हुआ, जनता की सहयोग, प्रशासन, पुलिस और कमीशन सब मिल करके जो वोट किया है बहुत अच्छा है, सबको धन्यवाद है। आप ममता बनर्जी इतना सभा करते हैं इतना, लेकिन उनके पास इशू एक ही था SIR, तो SIR को इशू बना के कोई चुनाव नहीं जीत सकता है, वही हालत उनकी हुई।
So that seems to be the political reactions that are now coming in. Let's take a look at the key takeaways. What we are now projecting as far as the numbers are concerned, BJP is now expected to win West Bengal. Thumping majority coming in the way for the Bharatiya Janata Party. And what has been the factor that may have turned the favors in for the BJP as far as the Paribartan or the Chai BJP Sarkar, that seems to be the nara, has been the Prime Minister's leadership, because it has been under his face and his leadership that the BJP went ahead with the elections. Of course, the constant camping that has also been done on part of the Home Minister, who was there during the first phase of elections and before, when it comes to the second phase of elections being conducted. BJP's Look East policy, the Anga Banga Kalinga, and this is something which the Prime Minister said, that it is now time for Banga, which is Bengal, that the government of the BJP will be formed, and there is a strong consolidation of the Hindus also behind, said to be with the BJP, especially when we take a look as far as the northern regions or the border regions with Bangladesh, and as far as the stronghold of BJP is concerned, maybe now getting bigger. Mamata's winning streak, however, seems to be ending, and BJP here seems to be getting that kind of edge. 90+% of the voter surge that has delivered is decisive mandate, because both of the voter turnout that is now expected to be out, when we take a look as far as West Bengal projections are concerned, over 90% has been the voter turnout. So despite the security blanket, there were, however, incidents of violence that was also reported in the second place. When we talk about in Falta, a seat that has shot to headlines because of the Singham versus Pushpa showdown, BJP is now alleging that its election symbol on the EVMs had been taped on. You need to press that button next to a party symbol and to register your vote. Shubhendu Adhikari of the BJP, however, says that we are going to get over 180 seats.
मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द एग्जिट पोल्स सर, लेकिन कॉन्टेस्ट नेक टू नेक है, कैसे देखते हैं?
कोई नेक टू नेक है।
आपको कितना एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं?
180 प्लस।
180 प्लस आप, और जो वायलेंस का क्या रोल देखते हैं इसमें सर?
हाँ,
वायलेंस इस तरह से हुआ है, क्या देखते हैं लोग वोटर डरे होंगे या नहीं आए हैं बाहर?
सब वो मरेगा तो एक दिन मरेगा ना। हिंदू लोग आज लड़ लिया ना, डू और डाई।
भवानीपुर में कितना
मरेगा तो मार के ही मर।
भवानीपुर में कितना?
EVM को दबा के मर जाऊंगा। हिंदू का आवाज ही था, मरना है, रिफ्यूजी बनना है तो आखिरी चुनाव में मार के ही मरूंगा। कैसे मारूंगा? हाथ से नहीं, बटन दबा।
Well, let's connect with Shivam on this. Shivam, Bhawanipur angle, because that seems to be the seat of power which Mamata Banerjee wants to continue, and the challenger being Shubhendu Adhikari.
Exactly, Amita, and in this particular video bite, you also can see that we tried asking him the question specifically about Bhawanipur. He ignored the question twice because, again, no leaders for now want to get into the details. It is, again, too soon. We have also seen, a lot of big pollsters, psephologists have not even released the numbers for the West Bengal. They are still waiting because, again, the contest is very close. And we are seeing Bhawanipur and Kolkata South is basically the constituency which had a relatively lower voter turnout, which is, again, the trend that we are seeing currently in the entire state. So, again, there's certain still, some days till 4th of May when we get the details. When the numbers actually actually come out of the number of electors, we might get a clarity on what party, and then then the claims will come in some days in the upcoming days.
But is this the Paribartan that may happen in the state of West Bengal? Does the BJP has the edge, or there is a pro-incumbency factor? Well, 4th of May will decide on that. Thank you very much, Shivam. Back after the short break.